Gut reaction. How your digestive system controls your mood, weight, and health, and what you can do about it. What if the key to your mental clarity, immune strength, energy, and even happiness wasn't in your brain, but in your belly? Welcome to the world of your gut, a hidden universe inside your body that is rewriting everything we thought we knew about health. Scientists call it your gut microbiome. Trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi living in your intestines. But these tiny organisms are doing much more than just breaking down your food. They're influencing your mood, metabolism, immune system, and even risk of chronic diseases. Here's the stunning part. The average human has more bacterial cells than human cells. You are quite literally more microbe than man or woman. And just like fingerprints, everyone's gut microbiome is unique. Let's talk numbers. A 2021 review published in Nature Reviews found that an unhealthy gut microbiome is linked to over 70 different diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, depression, anxiety, and even Alzheimer's. But how? The gut has its own nervous system, often called the second brain, or the enteric nervous system. It communicates with your actual brain through something known as the gut-brain axis. This two-way highway means that when your gut is inflamed or imbalanced, it can send distress signals to your brain, affecting your mood and mental state. Ever had butterflies in your stomach or felt nauseous before a big event? That's your gut talking to your brain. Now imagine this communication happening all the time, silently shaping how you feel, how you think, and how your body operates. Real life case. Samantha, a 29-year-old graphic designer, suffered from constant fatigue, bloating, and mood swings. Her doctors ruled out major issues, but after taking a gut microbiome test, she discovered she had low diversity of beneficial bacteria and overgrowth of harmful microbes. With the help of a nutritionist, she adjusted her diet and added fermented foods and prebiotics. Within 3 months, her energy improved. So did her skin, sleep, and mood. This isn't magic, it's microbiology. Let's break it down further. What damages the gut? Lie 1. Processed foods. Diets high in sugar, refined carbs, and artificial additives feed harmful bacteria. 2. Antibiotics. While life-saving, they can wipe out good bacteria too. 3. Chronic stress. Increases gut inflammation and permeability, a condition known as leaky gut. And 4. Lack of sleep. Disrupts the microbial balance. 5. Environmental toxins, including pesticides and heavy metals. But there's good news. The gut is remarkably resilient. You can rebuild it, often in just weeks. Step 1. Feed the good. Bacteria fiber is the fuel of gut health. Yet 95% of Americans don't eat enough of it. Focus on vegetables, broccoli, spinach, kale fruits, apples, bananas, berries, whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. These plant-based fibers act as prebiotics, food for your beneficial microbes. Step 2. Add fermented foods. These contain live probiotics, good bacteria that colonize your gut. Examples include yogurt with live cultures, kefir kimchi sauerkraut, miso kombucha. A spoonful a day can go a long way. Step 3. Limit sugar and ultra-processed foods. Sugar feeds yeast and harmful bacteria. Cutting down even slightly can tip the balance back in favor of the good guys. Step 4. Sleep, move, and breathe. Studies show that even 30 minutes of light exercise daily, walking, cycling, yoga, increases gut diversity. Deep breathing and mindfulness reduce gut inflammation by lowering cortisol. Sleep? Aim for 7 to 9 hours. One bad night can disturb the gut for up to 2 days. Step 5. Be cautious with antibiotics. Only use antibiotics when absolutely necessary. If you must take them, consider taking a probiotic supplement afterward with medical guidance. Bonus tip: get dirty, literally. Exposure to nature, soil, forests, animals increases your microbial exposure. Kids raised with pets or on farms often have stronger immune systems. Let your body relearn balance from the natural world. Now let's address the big question. Can healing your gut help with anxiety and depression? Yes, and research backs it up. A 2019 study from Psychiatry Research found that individuals who consumed more fermented foods and fiber had significantly lower levels of anxiety. In fact, the term psychobiotics has emerged, probiotics that may improve mental health. And another study from the University of Cork found that certain gut bacteria produce GABA, a neurotransmitter that reduces anxiety, the same chemical targeted by anti-anxiety meds. In other words, your gut isn't just digesting, it's regulating your mind. Let's not forget immunity. Did you know that 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? A balanced gut teaches your immune system to respond properly. Not too weakly, letting infections in, but not too aggressively, causing autoimmune issues. During the COVID-19 pandemic, researchers began exploring the link between gut health and severity of infection. And early evidence showed that people with healthier microbiomes often had milder symptoms. This isn't coincidence. It's a whole body system working in harmony. So what's the takeaway? Your gut is not just a tube for food. It's an intelligent ecosystem. Your first responder, your mood manager, and your internal pharmacy. Neglect it and it whispers. Ignore it and it screams. But nurture it and it transforms. In a world filled with quick fixes and symptom hunting, gut health is about going deeper. It's about root causes. And the best part, it's largely within your control. No expensive supplements, no extreme diets. Just real food, real sleep, real movement, real connection. Your body already knows how to heal. You just need to give it the right environment. So next time you feel foggy, bloated, anxious, or off balance, don't just look to your brain. Listen to your gut. Because sometimes the answers we seek are hiding in the most unexpected places. And your gut? It's been trying to tell you something all along.